Hey, hello riders, welcome back to the channel. This video that I'm probably making mostly for myself, so I won't forget, I would like to talk about how to swivel seats in a Subaru Domingo. The other day both seats swiveled just fine, but yesterday for the life of me I could not figure out how to do that. So I took a couple of steps back and analyzed this engineering marvel and finally figured it out. Stay tuned. There are many features in Subaru Domingo, and one of those features is swiveling front seats. Technically a very easy operation where you line up two arrows, lift up the front portion of the seat, press the button and turn the seat clockwise for passenger and counterclockwise for a driver seat. But it was not happening that day. So the trick behind this whole shenanigans is this latching cable. It's going all the way under the driver's seat. So once you swivel the driver's seat all the way, it will unhook this, and then you'll be able to swivel the passenger seat backwards. So in order to close the seat, this has to be swiveled first, and then you'd be able to swivel driver's seat back in the position. Let's try it out. Press, lift, twist, press the latch, and the seat will turn. And that is the reason for the arrows, because it would not clear the pillar if you don't have the arrow lined up. I mean, it says it's right here, but it does not help me. There you go. And with the passenger seat in that direction, you would not be able to swivel the driver's seat back. I think you got the idea, so I'm going to end my pit stop video here. But if you want to learn more about Subaru Domingo and its features, please watch the full video on our Obscure Ride page on YouTube and enjoy the view. Thank you and have a good day.